Specifically the anti-terrorist squad of the Goa police held a joint counter-terror exercise with the National Security Guard at 4 different locations in Goa from the 22nd October till 24th of October. In this exercise, which was held at 4 different locations, we assessed our own capabilities of the Goa ATS. The NSG helped us to augment our capabilities, and the joint terror exercise, which was conducted at these 4 different locations, was a great success with wholehearted participation. Counter-terror exercises involving the National Security Guard and the allied forces of other states like Maharashtra. Force 1, they have got a Force 1 unit of the anti-terror squad. So the last joint terror exercise, counter-terror exercise, which was held, is joint counter-terror exercise with the NSG. This exercise gains significance because of the forthcoming exposition of the sacred relics of St. Francis Xavier. This terror exercise, joint terror exercise, was conducted, and I wish to say that with the participation and synergies and seamless participation of all the stakeholders, this joint terror exercise, counter-terror exercise, other stakeholders.
So how many places you have taken this practice?
We identified 4 places, 4 vital installations. We can say the 4 vital installations.
कोणत्या जागेत तुम्ही केल्या त्या 4 exercises?
The 4 exercises have been conducted in the North Goa district.
Which place? Beach area, temple area, church area?
Specifically, we have taken 2 vital installations. One is a government building, one is a private.
Drill was conducted.
The drill was offshore as well as onshore. The involvement of the state coastal police has also been there.
Okay. So how many commandos from both sides have been taken part in this? Around.
The composite strength of both the sides would be around 400.
Okay. This was particularly in the view of the exposition or overall this thing?
This is a joint counter-terror exercise which we hold every year. So this time, the particular exercise that we have held here at this point of time gains significance because of the forthcoming exposition, where we have been able to assess our own capabilities. The capabilities of whatever recommendations we will be receiving, we will act on it.
There will be any groups deployed for exposition from NSG side, sir, for the exposition time in Goa?
As of now, the ATS has made elaborate arrangements for deployment of our own staff, our own commandos at the particular location for the forthcoming exposition.
Coastal side also you have taken exercise,
Coastal side, yes, the coastal police were involved in this exercise. One part of the exercise also involved coastal police.
सर का मौका एयरपोर्टार
ही मूवमेंट
एक्सप्रेशन टाइम त्यांना केसेस त्यांना हँडल करतो का एनएसजी
ना VVIPचा जो movement असता that is handled by the other unit of Goa.
एक्सपिरियन्स तुमचो त्यांनी लोकांक खरें दिसलें अशें चल्लां काय तें नाटक म्हणून
ना हे people were aware आणि आम्ही हे जे केलां पळय ते it has been done on a real time experience, real time scenario. So अशें जर केन्नाय कितें घडलें जाल्यार people are also aware now की अशें केन्नाय कितें घडपाक शकता आनी आमी कितें हे घेवपाक जाय, प्रिकॉशन घेवपाक जाय. Like for example, evacuation of the site. In one of the vital installation, it involved evacuation of the people who were inside.
अलार्म
सर
अलार्म केले त्या नेमके कितें केले अलार्म
जेन्ना ही मॉक ड्रिल जाता सो तो कसो कितें
खंयचे हातून स्पेसिफिक टायम फ्रेम नासता. In any operation there is no specific time frame because we do not know opposite siding कितें आसता पळय. Sometimes the operation can conclude immediately. Sometimes it may take a lot of time. ताजो तो टायम फ्रेम स्पेसिफिकली आमी सांगपाक शकना कितलो आसतलो.
बट आमचो रिस्पॉन्स कसो आशिल्लो एनएसजी बिकॉज एटीएस आमकां काम करता तुमी म्हळ्यार तुमची कॅपेबिलिटी एक्सेस
As I
करता
have told you, the NSG has appreciated our participation and आमचे जे कितें रिस्पॉन्स आसा पळय they have appreciated it.
So,
वी आर ऑल वेल इक्विप्ड इन दिस ATS बरें आहा सगळी सामूक गोंयांत
अपग्रेडेड इक्विपमेंट्स आमच्याकडे सगळे आसा अशें.
काय आनी कितें गरज
The
आसा
ATS is adequately equipped, which the NSG has also experienced.
ओके, दिस वाज द ड्रिल. मुझे आप लोगों से भी जानना है सर के से भी. दिस वाज द ड्रिल और क्राइसिस मैनेजमेंट और होस्टेज मैनेजमेंट का बहुत बड़ा योगदान इसमें भी रहता है अगर कोई होस्टेज है. सो इज गोवा इक्विप्ड विथ नेगोशिएबल क्राइसिस नेगोशिएबल होस्टेज नेगोशिएबल?
काल केला
ओके,
कालच्या एक्सरसाइजान क्रायसिस मॅनेजमेंट जो आसा पळय तातूंत आमी हॉस्टेज नेगोशिएशन
एक्झॅक्टली. सो गोवा इज इक्विप्ड विथ दॅट टाइप ऑफ.
वी हैव डन इट.
Okay. So, if NSG can share their experience, अगर
Good morning everyone, I'm Major Anirudh. I was the coordinating officer for this exercise. As it has been said by my GC, and first of all I'd like to give a vote of thanks on behalf of GC, CTT and the task force to Mr. Edwin. As you had asked, this is a collation force. एक साथ में हमें एक्सरसाइज करनी होती है, तो it is integrated that both services give their best. And this is what we implemented yesterday and successfully the both targets that were all the 4 targets. ये कोलेशन फोर्स था जिसने साथ में इंटीग्रेट होकर काम किया है. That is why we achieved what we came to complete over here.
So apart from this, आजकाल खूप हॉक्स कॉल्स येतात फॉर द फ्लाइट्स एंड ऑल. ताच्या संदर्भान ATS इज इक्विप्ड इन गोवा.
See, whenever such calls come in the past also.
अजून पर्यंत कारण इंडियन खुबशा हाली कॉल्स येवपाक लागले फॉर एअरलायन्स. सो गोंयान अजून पर्यंत तशें काय येना हालींच्या काळात सर ह्या म्हयन्यात.
As of now, आता जे आमी कितें मिडियान वाचता पळय that many of the airlines have been receiving bomb calls. As of now, आतां पर्यंत आमच्या गोंयान a flight which is connected arriving or departing from the delivery camp. But we are prepared to analyze.
थँक यू सर, थँक यू फॉर युअर
काल
सर्विसेस.
सर एक मौका ऑल एरो म्हणून एक हें जालो फ्लायट ऑल एरो वगैरे बॉम्ब दवरला त्याची कितें तुमकां
आमकां थँक्यू. Done. Thank you. Thank you.